Hi, I'm Maria, language, culture, music. Today I'm traveling to Bad Herrenalb with my cat. So, we almost got to our Airbnb, which is in like 3 kilometers from Bad Herrenalb in the Black Forest. I got lost and I went up the hill, so I got really tired walking with the 6 kilos of a cat and a backpack. Well, hopefully we're almost there. Let's get moving, let's get moving. I know that wasn't really wise because I actually didn't follow my GPS. At the same time, I'm kind of happy that I lost my way and I got lost because I got to see some really beautiful views here. I think Sonia is really tired from walking around. She's kind of sleeping, but we'll be there soon. See you guys. So we're there and I'm on the terrace of my Airbnb, which is by far the best Airbnb that I have stayed at. It cost me like 80 bucks, 80 euros, and let me give you a tour. So this is the terrace. You can have coffee on the terrace, have breakfast on the terrace with my cat Sonia. She's calling me, by the way. She's also shocked. There's a dining room. I mean, oh my gosh, I have a whole dining room to myself. Dining room slash kitchen. Sonia's really impatient. Sonia, where are you? She's kind of anxious and kind of scared. Too many, well, I'm not sure she's scared, but she's like overwhelmed, I think. So this is the bathroom. This is the separate toilet. That is the bedroom. There's a king-sized bed just for me and Sonia. All sorts of closets. And I even have a living room. That is so spacious. I am so happy. After exploring our Airbnb, Sonia got all calm and cozy. So I decided I'd go back to Bad Herrenalb and get some groceries. the possibility to cook. I checked out the local supermarkets, and Germany is just a real vegan land. There's so many vegan products that I have never seen before. I'm really excited. I'm going to cook tortellini, vegetable tortellini, and a vegetable salad. For the salad, I'll add some edamame on top because it's a great source of vegan protein and iron and whatnot, and I'll dress it with olive oil. So this is my lunch. Time to eat. In the afternoon, Sonia and I went for a wonderful walk. I'll take you guys with us. So while Sonia is sleeping, I decided that I'd go to Bad Herrenalb to get some groceries. It's kind of nice to have this trail that goes through the Black Forest and then goes into town. I gotta say that I feel kind of lazy here. I don't feel much like walking, don't feel like hiking or something. I just feel like being, like relaxing, drinking wine, breathing, smelling all those fresh herbs. Smells good here. Also, there's a lot of pine trees that smell amazing. I love the smell of pine trees. It reminds me of my grandma. She used to like walking in the forest, not far from where we lived, and it was a pine forest. So yeah, I feel so lucky that I decided to book an Airbnb here. Looks like a great deal. Bad Herrenalb. So this is our last day in Bad Herrenalb. The weather is quite rainy. I think Sonia is looking for a good pea spot. This is her tail. I think we're gonna take a last stroll, and today is gonna be the white night. What? The wine night. It started to rain. Just all of a sudden it started to rain. Sonia is in the back, around under the roof, and it's freaking raining.